How to remove hyperlink from PDF online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a hyperlink from a PDF completely online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here I've got a simple PDF with a hyperlink. So if I click on this text, it opens Google. So just an example to show you how it works. So now let's remove that link in the easiest way possible. So there are lots of ways to do this, but I recommend using Canva. It's free online design tools, and yes, you can edit PDF with it too. So open Google and type in Canva, or you can just go to canva.com and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you are on the main dashboard of Canva, you can just click on create a design and then choose import file and click upload file and select your PDF and click open, and Canva will upload a file and open it in editor. And if it doesn't open right away, check recent design and click on your PDF from there. And now that the PDF is open, just zoom in on the area with a hyperlink and click the text box with linkage. And after that, you can simply click on the three dots in the toolbar and choose edit link. And from there, you can simply click on remove, and that's it. Now the hyperlink is gone. And sometimes the link leaves behind an underline or a line element. And here is how to get rid of it. So move the text box slightly out of the way and click on the line and then hit delete. And move your text back into place. And Canva lets you to reposition things very precisely, so this only takes a second. And once everything looks good, you can click share in the top right and select download and set the file to PDF standard and click download again and save it. And after that, you can simply open your new PDF and you can see that the hyperlink is gone and your document looks perfect. And that's it. That's how you can remove hyperlinks from a PDF completely online using Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.